How to remove shadow ban on YouTube. Let's get started. First things first, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with YouTube's community guidelines. These guidelines outline the rules and regulations that every YouTube creator must follow. So before you attempt to remove the shadow ban, make sure you haven't violated any of these guidelines. Once you have ensured compliance with the guidelines, it's time to be cautious in your actions on the platform. Before posting any content or engaging with others, take a moment to reconsider whether your actions could potentially violate the guidelines. Open your preferred browser and then type in YouTube support. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open the very first one website, YouTube Help. Now over here you can describe about your issue. Likewise, you'll also get this section for browse help topics. You can just click on the topic related to your issue and go through the process. You can submit your feedback detailing your situation to the YouTube support team. Be sure to mention that you have been shadow banned and provide any relevant information that could help resolve the issue. After submitting the feedback, all you have to do is wait. Typically, it takes a few business days for YouTube support team to respond. They may provide updates or take action to lift the shadow ban from your channel. And there you have it, a simple guide to removing the shadow ban on a YouTube channel. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.